Let's do an update on our SMCI puts. So if you guys remember a couple of days ago, we opened puts on SMCI when price was trading around $460. The reason that we did this is we had a break of structure when we fell through $500, selling off to lows of $392. From there, price bounced its way back up into the 460 level. And we know that when price breaks this support level, look at the top right side of your screen, over 1,100 trades. Out of 1,100 trades, 853 of them have hit the target while only 326 of them have failed, which means that this pattern has a very, very high win rate, which is why I decided to go in with puts. If we shorted at that level of 460 like we were looking at, setting our target down at $368 and a stop loss at a close above $519, this gives us a 1.5 risk versus reward. Now, to a lot of people, you might say to yourself, 1.5 RVR isn't the best, but I promise you that with a 75 to 80% win rate and the consistency, the amount of setups that you get with this type of strategy, it is more than fine. It will actually make you more money than you would expect because of the consistency and the ability to compound, as opposed to something that has maybe a 10-to-1 risk versus reward with a 20% chance of profit. Now, today, we had a big sell-off. SMCI actually sold off about 7%, hit a low of $409. And I came very, very close to taking my profit. I was up about $30,000 and I wanted to walk away from the trade, but I didn't. The reason I didn't walk away was not because of greed. It wasn't because I want to make more money. It's actually because I want to flex my muscle of holding on to my trades longer and not selling till they hit profit. It's funny, but within our private academy, we have what's called the DiCarlo effect. As soon as I sell something for a profit, the stock completely continues to run, or in this case, continues to sell off, and I usually miss out on a ton of profit. And so for myself, I want to get used to holding till that profit, even if it feels a bit uncomfortable. If you want to learn more about all of the indicators that you see in this video, as well as the proprietary settings and the step-by-step trading system that I've built, you can take all of our courses completely free with the link in the description. And I've been doing this for 9 years, and I still sometimes go against my plans and take profit early. I'm still sitting here trying to get used to holding all the way down to my targets and not taking my profits early. This is a never-ending journey that, like I said, you won't stop. You're not disciplined forever. It's kind of the same thing like being in shape. If you're in shape in your 20s and you're 40 now, hopefully you're still in shape, but you know that just because you're in shape at one point, that you're not in shape forever. In shape is a state in the present. You have to continue every single day to push and to become better with it. And it's the same deal with trading, whether it's sticking to a strategy, holding till your target, making sure you hit your stops when you say you're going to. All of that makes up the trader that you become. The last thing I want to talk about is looking at the weekly chart. You're going to notice here that we have a break of structure to the downside on the weekly. Now, at the top right, over the past 58, so about 60 of these trades, about 40 of them have been winners, 18 have been losers. And as of recent, the past 2 have been losers. But I want you to notice that with that statistic in mind, there is a break of structure to the downside with a take profit of a 42% loss all the way down at $258. I'm going to be honest, I'm not expecting that to happen. If we look at swing low to swing high here on our support, on our Fibonacci level, you're going to see that this is the area that smart money will step in. So if we do not bounce here on SMCI, if we break under 414, this will die. This will drain down about 40% to about $250. However, if this area holds, there's a good chance that we will bounce off of that $400 level and come back to test $500 to $600. I'm going to continue to hold my short. We're going to see what ends up happening here. And if we can get the sell off to 380, 360, I will go ahead and take my profit. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you want to trade alongside of me each and every single day, get access to all of my real-time alerts, private live streams, as well as a trading community of over 800 other traders using the same exact strategy that you see here each and every single day. If you want to join the team, you can use the link in the description to join the private mentorship group. If you don't feel like you're quite ready for that, then take advantage of all of the free courses that we have on our website. Thank you guys for all the support, and I'll see you next time.